Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'll share how to finish printed neckline shapes. So here I have all over printed kurti, and as you can see here we have printed neckline shape. So I'll show you how to finish such necklines. So this is all over printed kurti. On this side I have plain fabric for sleeves. Firstly, I'll mark center of the neckline. Just measure the neck width and mark center of the neckline. So here neck width is 6 inch, center will be 3 inch. Now taking this point as center, I'll fold the fabric by half in width like this. Now I'll cut out the kurti. So I've cut the kurti and now I'll finish the neckline. And for that I have cut out the rectangle piece of fabric from palazzo fabric as I didn't get any leftover from kurti fabric. Length of fabric is around 11 inch and width is around 14.5 inch. Now place the fabric on the neckline, right sides together, and this is how it will look. I'll pin it up. And now I'll mark the neck depth, which is 7.5 inch in my measurement. I'm adding half inch for seam allowance, so I've marked point at 8 inch. And now I'll make a stitch on the neckline shape. So I made a stitch. Now I'll cut out the neckline, leaving around quarter inch of seam allowance. So I've cut it out and now I'm making small cuts all around the neckline, which helps to turn around curved shapes easily. And now I'll turn facing fabric towards the wrong side of the kurti neckline like this. I have turned around the facing fabric and I have folded and pinned up the seam allowance. Now it's your choice. You can make stitch or you can do hemming to secure the facing fabric on the wrong side. And with this, neckline is ready. And now I'll show you another example. Here again I have printed neckline, but here we have placket shape printed on the neckline. So here we can use buckram to make the neckline shape. So I have taken a piece of buckram. This is on fold. Width is 4.5 inch and length is around 8.5 inch. It depends on the neck width or neck depth of your neckline, so cut it out accordingly. Firstly I'll mark neck width, which is 3 inch in my measurement, and neck depth is 7.5 inch. I'll add half inch for seam allowance, so I'll mark a point at 8 inch. Here again I'm marking neck width point and I'll join these points. I'm making sweetheart neckline shape, and for that on this line I'll mark a point at 5.5 inch and I'll join it to the center point like this. I'm adding 0.75 inch of seam allowance. So I have made the neckline shape. Now I'll cut it out. So I've cut it out. Now I'll finish the buckram neckline. And for that I have taken this leftover fabric. This is on fold, and now I'll add around 1 inch of seam allowance and I'll cut it out. Now place the buckram on the wrong side of the facing and make a stitch on the neckline shape. So I made a stitch. Now I'll fold the seam allowance like this, and again I'll make a basting stitch to secure it. So I made a stitch. Now I'll trim the extra fabric. I've cut out the extra fabric. Now place the buckram on the kurti neckline. Match the center points. And now I'll make stitch in the neckline shape along with the buckram. So I made a stitch. Now I'll cut the facing fabric in the neckline shape, leaving around ½ inch of seam allowance. I've cut it out and I've also made small cuts all around the neckline. Now I'll turn the buckram towards the wrong side of the kurti, and this is how it will look. Now to secure the buckram, you can do hemming or you can make 2 or 3 stitches on the neckline shape. It's your choice. I made basting stitch and I'll remove it once I'll do the hemming. So with this, neckline is ready. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.